Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to change a background image or photo in LinkedIn. Okay, so let's start with the video guys. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my LinkedIn. So just come to your LinkedIn and just log in with your LinkedIn and click on your name. So it will be bring you the your profile page. So guys, your profile page will be open, and now this is your core background photo or core photo, you can say. Okay, so now we can how we can change, just click on this camera icon, and from here just click edit background, and you can upload your designed background photo or core photo of LinkedIn. So just select photo and just open, it will be upload to your LinkedIn background. Here you can select the size, you can zoom in, zoom out, you can change the straightness. Okay, you can also use filter, you can also adjust the brightness and contrast, and you can also crop the image, okay, like this. So after that just apply, it will be applied to your background. So let me apply first. Okay, it is applied now, but if you want to know how you can design the perfect cover photo in LinkedIn, so I'll suggest you the Canva. Okay, so I use this Canva. Okay, you can use this Canva website for free to design the your any kind of design. So in LinkedIn, for LinkedIn core page also, LinkedIn background image also, you can design here. So I just log in with my email ID. Okay, just continue with my email ID here. Okay, so I just log in with my email ID in Canva. So it is free website to use. Okay, there is a premium version also, but free features is enough to design any kind of uh, any kind of poster and presentation. So for Canva, for LinkedIn core page or background page, you have to just go to the create design and search here LinkedIn. Okay, so you can see, you can okay, LinkedIn article core photo, this is LinkedIn banner. So you have to choose the two size. So by the so there is a two size, as you see. So I suggest you 154 into 396 pixels. So it is very it is very professional, and it is normal or by default size for LinkedIn banner. So guys, here you can see the banner has been the banner size has been created. You can resize from here. Okay, but this is for, I think, premium. Okay, you can change the pixel size if you want, but by default it is 154 into 396 pixel. Okay, make it okay. So before you design any this cover photo, you have to check that this is your profile photo and this is your cover photo, right? So you can see that your profile photo hides some part of your cover photo. So while you design your core photo, you have to take care of this part, because it is hide by your logo, your profile photo. So don't mention here very important information. So you can information in this corner or middle of. So just take care while you design your core photo. After you design, you have to just download from here. Okay, go download and download in PNG, and after download you can upload here as I show you. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.